children, I am your maths teacher. Due to COVID-19, we have decided to conduct the online classes now. So if you have any doubts, again go through the textbook, children. Okay children, all of you open your textbooks. Okay, open the first chapter. Our first chapter name is Numbers and Numeration. So in the earlier classes you have already learned about the numbers, numerals, yes, about the place values, digits, yes or no? So again we go through the basic things. So write the numerals for the given numbers. The first bit they gave you, write the numerals. So they gave 3,411. 3,411. How you will write now? 3,411. Yes or no? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Yes. The second. Next. 6,000. Children, the remaining things you have to write, ma. 6,000. 204. 6,204. How you will write? Tell me. 6,204. Clear children? 6,204. Okay. So then in this bit the remaining things we have to do it. Huh? Next, the second bit. Write the number names. Here they gave the numerals. So these are known as numerals. Okay. They are asking us to write the, they are asking us to write the number names here. These are the number names and these are the numerals. So what we have to do? Here they gave you, see, digit 5,362. Okay. How you will write now? 5,000. So in the earlier classes you have learned already these things. 5,300. 5,300 and 62. 5,362. So the whole bit you have to do it now. Next, coming to the third bit. Coming to the third bit. Here they gave you the place value chart. So they colored. See, you can notice here they colored the place value with the pink color. Yes or no? You can notice here children. They colored the place value with the pink color. You have to identify that in which standard the place value was. Okay. Identifying the place values. Here children, first I will tell you what are the place values now. Okay, listen. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes or no? Next, thousand. And next place value is 10,000. So these are the important things you have learned in previous class. Yes, with this only we have to write the place values now. So they gave the first one 3,221 and they colored pink color. They colored 3. Yes or no? So how you will write this place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. In which place value the 3 is there? Thousands. 1,000 place value. Yes or no? So the next thing. 3109 and they colored 9. Yes, and in which place the 9 was there? In ones place. Clear, children? Next thing. B. 4256 and they colored here 2. So ones, tens, hundreds. Yes or no? In the hundreds place. Clear, children? So you have to write down here. So the next thing. So in the previous classes you have learned about the place values. So the place values you will learn in previous classes. Now I will show place value chart. Place value chart now. Okay, children. So here you all know the place values, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, first look at these things. So in the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so these three means ones, tens, hundreds occupy one's period. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? వన్స్, టెన్స్, 100 వచ్చేసి వన్స్ పీరియడ్లో ఉంటుంది మొత్తం. ఓకే, 1000, 10,000 వచ్చేసి థౌజండ్స్ పీరియడ్. ఓకే, సో ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period, thousands and 10,000s comes under the thousands period. Okay, clear, children? Next thing. So the next place is lakhs. The next place is lakhs. So these comes under which period? Lakhs period. These comes under which period, ma? Lakhs period. Clear, children, all of you? So with the help of these things you can solve some of the problems. And you can see here in the first page they gave you these things, so you have to solve this. Okay, children, I have solved some of the sums from here and remaining sums you have to solve it, children. Okay, children, again if you have any doubts, again go through the first chapter, you can understand. Okay, children, thank you.